Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel, Latina Plants. My name is Jackie. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Today's video is going to be some packages that I received from Amazon, some things that I picked up for plants. And so let's go ahead and get into this. First thing that I want to share with you guys is this package here. We're just going to unbox it together. So yeah, I just wanted to stock up on some of my planty supplies, and these are things that I like to use for my plants. I will also leave the link down below to my Amazon favorites if you guys are interested in any of these things that I picked up that I'm sharing with you, so you can go ahead and find them for yourself. This is the first time that I pick these pins up, and they're from, what does they say? Plant Propagation Diaries on Amazon, and it's these cute little clear pins for your propagation. They're a lot bigger than I thought they would be, but this is what they look like. And yeah, I'm excited to use these for my propagations. I'm going to go ahead and put them in a container that I have on my little Lazy Susan here. These are 3D printed by my husband. If you're interested in anything like this, let me know down below in the comments. I'm just going to put some in there like this, so that when I'm doing my propagations here at the table, I can just grab them as needed. I am going to see if my husband can 3D print these, because I'd like them to be smaller than these are, but these will do for now. Next package is this one here. I don't even remember everything that I purchased. Oh, these are the extending lights for the Birina grow lights. So I picked up a set of three sets of three for the lights that I have on my shelves, just because it'll give me a little bit more wiggle room with where I put my lights. And we know that the ones that come with the lights are just not long enough, and these are 48 inches. I will also link that down below for you guys on my Amazon storefront. All of these things will be linked again in case you're interested. And so I got a set of three sets of three for my lights for an upcoming video that I'm going to share with you guys. Next thing we're going to unbox is this box here. Let me get a box cutter. So one of the things that I was super excited in picking up, and hopefully I'm not touching the mic too much here, is these. They're little mini hair clips, and it comes with its own little container, and I just thought this would be a good idea. And these are the butterfly ones. I'm going to go ahead and open it so I can show you them. I think they're super cute. So these are the hair clips. Hopefully you can see that. Let me get closer for you. I just thought these would be really cute to use. So, and I like the fact that it comes with its own little container. And so I can just put that here on my tray for my propagations. Next thing here are for my pots. And these are just little foam pieces. They're like little cork round pieces, stickers that you can put on the bottom of your pots so that they don't scratch any glass surfaces. And so this one had some really good reviews on Amazon, as well as it came with a lot of them. And so I know this entire roll is going to last me forever, but this is what they look like. And so they'll be really good for the bottom of pots like this, just so that I don't scratch any of my surfaces. Sometimes the pots come with these, sometimes they don't. And I just wanted to have some on hand in case I lost any of the foam pieces on the bottom of my pots or anything like that, or they didn't come with them, just to protect my surfaces from getting scratched up. Plus, I think this is something good to have even for like your drawers and your cabinets and things like that, so that they don't make like a slamming sound. This is a buffer for between the doors and drawers. This is the next thing out of here, out of the box. Not really sure what it is. These are my refills for my label maker because I'm trying to label all of the plants that I have as well as the plants that I sell. So I got a pack here. You get 5 of them, and I thought it was a good deal. And this is like the off brand, but yeah, I wanted to get some refills of my label maker, so I picked them up. Thing I picked up here are these trellises, and they're 8 metal U-shaped plant trellises. And the reason I want to go with metal is because I feel like they're super sturdy, and I like to go with the black aesthetic for my trellises. I forget the sizes that they are, but you get 2 of each of the sizes, and you get 4 different sizes, as you can see here. And they're not really wide, so we'll see how they work. I think these are meant maybe for smaller pots. I'm not sure how they're going to work for like larger planted pots. But yeah, I picked these up, and they don't have like any rubber on the bottom, but they are black coated, so they shouldn't rust. And they also come with some wire ties if you'd like to use the wire ties. Next thing I picked up are these 6-inch pots. So I picked up these 6-inch pots, and they're typically the same as the ones that I use that are smaller. They're just in a larger size. I believe these are 6-inch, although they don't really look like 6-inch. They are. They're kind of stuck together, but this is what they look like. This is the drainage holes on the bottom. I have quite a few Hoyas that need an up pot, and so I thought that I would stock up on some 6-inch clear pots because I like to see the roots and to check the moisture level on some of my larger plants as well. And the last thing I picked up was some of these mesh screens, and these are the larger ones. I just thought that the larger ones would be good just to cut up and have multiple pieces, or use the larger one for larger pots, and I don't have to cut it up. But these are, I don't remember if they were 4 inches or 3-inch round mesh screens. They were a really good price for all of these mesh screens, and I really needed to stock up on these for my plant. So that is everything that I picked up from Amazon. I also wanted to share some pots that I picked up from Walmart. Just last night, I went to just pick up some things that I needed for my son for his camping trip coming up. I seen these pots before, and you guys would have seen them too in my previous Walmart shop with me. If you haven't checked that video out, go ahead and check it out. It was earlier in the spring, or right before spring started this year. I picked up this really cute pot here. I just had to go back for it. It's like a minty green, and it has like a matte kind of cream color on the bottom, and it has some legs, and I just thought it was super cute. It's a great catch pot because it has no drainage holes or plugs. And this one is by the Mainstays brand, and I believe this pot was like 2 something. I'm not totally sure, but I'll probably put it on the screen for you guys. I thought this spot was super cute for one of my Hoyas, or even an alocasia or an anthurium seedling, something like that. I also found this one there. It's a white pot, but the bubble pot. They also have this one in a larger size, but the larger size, they only had one in store and it was all chipped up. So I decided not to pick that one up. But I picked up the smaller one. I think it's super cute as well. Again, it's the Mainstays brand. So yeah, excited to pick that pot up. And the last pot that I picked up is from Better Homes and Gardens. And it's this like creamy white with speckles on it. I think it's super cute. Hopefully it's not looking too washed out. And so I picked those 3 pots up, and I also picked up another item that I can't really bring into camera because it's super heavy. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what else I picked up. So I picked up this water jug here that is a 5-gallon watering or drink dispenser. It was just about 15 bucks. I already have, as you can tell, fertilizer, water in there, and it has a spout. I've already used it. It works great, you guys. It does not leak or anything like that. It has a great lid here that twists on. I just have it sitting on top for now. And I have it on this stool. It's a tall stool, like, I don't know, like a bench that you would have on an island or something like that. I just saw that was a perfect fit there, right off to the corner of my kitchen, and it won't be in the way. So that's where it sits, next to my humidifier and next to the shelves here. And so I can take my watering can and fill it up here and just water my plants. And so that is exactly what we're going to do next. So stay tuned. I will probably fast play this part for you guys because it can get a little tedious to watch or boring. I'm going to definitely have to clean up this mess first. And I will be back to do some watering with you guys.